Peekaboo with African animals. Who's hiding behind the cactus? It's a lion. Who's hiding behind the tree? It's a zebra. Who's hiding behind the cactus? It's an ostrich. Who's hiding behind the stones? It's a camel. Who's hiding behind the tree? It's elephant. Who's hiding behind the cactus? It's a snake. Who is hiding in the grass? It's a hippo. Who's hiding behind the stones? It's a gorilla. Who's hiding behind the stones? It's a rhino. Who's hiding behind the cactus? It's a lizard. Who is hiding in the grass? It's an alligator. Who's hiding behind the tree? It's a giraffe. Who's hiding behind the stones? It's a tiger. Who's hiding behind the tree? It's a toucan. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. And watch our other videos.